Hi students, today we are discussing the new subtopic, that is inverse of a matrix. In inverse of a matrix, the main condition is that the product of two matrices should be identity matrix. That is, suppose we take A matrix and B matrix. A matrix is of order 2 by 2 square matrix, B matrix of order 2 by 2, that is square matrix, and the product of AB and product of BA, that should be equal, and AB is equal to BA is equal to I means identity matrix. Identity matrix is like this. Identity matrix means this is identity matrix. In 2 by 2 identity matrix means 1 0, it is 0 1. This is identity matrix. And product of AB should be equal to BA, that is equal to I. Then AB is equal to I means A is the inverse of B, or B is the inverse of A. BA is equal to I means AB is equal to A is the inverse of B and B is the inverse of matrix A. Both the matrix should be a square matrix. The definition becomes now, if A is a square matrix of order M and if there exists another square matrix of the same order M, then such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I, then B is called the inverse matrix A. What is I? I is identity matrix. Identity matrix of order 2 means 1 0, that is second row is 0 1. This definition we can illustrate by taking one simple example. Let A is equal to matrix of order 2 by 2, 2 3 1 2, and second one B is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. AB is equal to BA is equal to I. Let me take the product of two matrices AB is equal to, what is first row 2 3, second row is 1 2, B 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. Then we take first row. First row is 2 3, first column is 2 minus 1, that is we get 2 into 2, that is 4. Then 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. First row 2 3, second column 3 minus 2, that is 2 into 3 and minus 6. 2 into 3, that is 6. Then second row is 1 2 and first row is 2 minus 1, first column, that is 1 into 2, that is 2, and 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Second row 1 2, we take second column 1 into minus 3 and 2 into 2, that is 4. Then we get first row is 1 0, then second row is 0 1. It is this one identity matrix. It is identity matrix, means AB is equal to I. Here also BA, if we take B and matrix A, then product of BA, it will be also I. Same, AB is equal to I, BA is equal to I, means product of two matrices AB and product of two matrices BA is same as identity matrix. Then B is the inverse of A. B is called inverse of A, or A is called the inverse of B. Here we are taking square matrix. If we take rectangular matrix, then rectangular matrix. Now question is arises whether this is true for rectangular matrices also. Let me take rectangular matrix, suppose A of matrix suppose 2 by 3. Second one matrix B is of order suppose 3 by 2. Then product of A and B will be 2 by 3 and 3 by 2, means this column and row will merge. Then the product of AB will be 2 by 2 matrix. If we take B into A, product of matrix B and matrix A, product of B into A, that is 3 by 2 matrix, and second one is 2 by 3 matrix. Then this column will merge, this row will be merged, new matrix of order 3 by 3. Then here AB is not equal to BA. AB is not, but the condition is AB should be equal to BA. Therefore, we cannot take rectangular matrix. It does not exist for a rectangular matrix. Start. We now take one important example on this topic to find the inverse of a matrix by doing elementary operations. We can do rows operations as well as columns operations. Here we take the matrix A as 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. We are using first rows operations. Now we write A is equal to I identity matrix into A. The product of identity matrix into matrix A is equal to A itself. A is equal to I into A. That is A means matrix. We write 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, and identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and matrix A itself. Then here the matrix A we have written 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. What is our target? Our target is by doing rows operation. Here we have to replace this matrix by this one. Means after doing calculations here 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, when it comes, then our solution will end up 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. 3 rows are given. First of all, here 0 is in the first position, A1, 1. 0 is here. We have to take here 1, means 1 should be here. That's why we are having 3 rows operation, that is Ri to Rj. Second one is Ri changes to K into Ri. Third one is Ri changes to Ri plus K into Rj. Here if we have to take here 1, means by changing second row to first row, then 1 will come here. Here we do this operation by R1 changes to R2 and R2 changes to R1, means this 1, 2, 3 first row will be here 1, 2, 3, then first row becomes the second row, and 3, 1, 1 third row will be as it is. Here also we are doing same operation. R1 changes to R2, R2 changes to R1, means 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and into A. Here we got 1. Then second, here what we want, the element 0, it is already there. Then at this place 3 we want 0. At this place 3 we want 0. How it will be possible to get 0 here? Means third row we have to change. Third row we have to change. Means R3 will change. R3 minus 3 times R1. Means 3 minus 3 times 1. That is 3 minus 3, that is 1. R3, then this matrix is R3 will change. I write first row as it is, second row as it is. Here also I write first row, second row is 1, 0, 0 and A. Now we have to find out the elements in third row. Here 3, 1, 1 is there. R3 changes to R3 minus 3 R1, means R3 is 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1 minus 3 into R1, 3 into 1, that is 3, 3 into 2, that is 6, 3 into 3, that is 9, and minus sign is there, therefore minus sign is there, this is minus, means minus minus minus, means minus 8, minus 5, and here 0, means we get third row is minus, this is minus 8, negative of 8. Here also R3 is 0 0 1, 0 0 1, 3 into R1 means 3 into 0, 3 into 1 and 0, minus is there, we put minus sign here, means minus minus minus, means 1 minus 3, here 0, 0 minus 3 1. Pause. Students, after doing this operation R3 changes to R3 minus 3R1, we got here first column is 1 0 0, first column is 1 0 0. Now what we think? We think that here we should get 0, here we should get 0, means 0 1 0, second column will be as it is 0 1 0, means at the point 2 we have to convert these two in 0 element. How it is possible? If we change this R1, means here R1, we have to change R1, means R1 will change, R1 changes to R1 minus 2 into R2, R1 minus 2 into R2, that is we are changing R1, means we write here second row 0 minus 5 minus 8, third row, that is equal to R1 we are changing, means R2 as it is 1 0 0, 1 0 0 and 0 minus 3 1. R1 is 1 2 3, 1 2 3 R1 minus 2 into R2, 2 into R2, 2 into 0, 2 into 1, 2 into 2, means we get 1, that is 0 and minus 1, means 1 0 and minus 1. Here also first row is 0 1 0, 0 1 0 and R1 minus 2 into R2, 2 into R2 means 2 0 0, that is subtraction. Here we get 0 1 and minus 2, means here minus 2 1 and 0 into A. It is 2, we got here 0, means we got here 0, after 0 we got 1 also, 1 is there. Here what we want? 0. At this place we want 0, means it is minus 5. Minus 5 means what we have to do? R3 will change to R3 minus plus 5 times R1. R3 changes to R3 plus 5 times R1. Here 1 is there, R2. Means R3 will change. Therefore, we write first row, second row as it is. Then is equal to first row, second row into A. R3. What is R3? Just a minute. R3, third row is 0 minus 5. Here R3 changes to R3 plus 5 R2. What is R3? R3 is 0 minus 5 minus 8 plus 5 into R2, 5 into 0, 5 into 1, 5 into 2. Here plus is there, means no need to change the sign, that is 2 0 0. Third row will be 0, 0, 2. Here R3 is 0, minus 3, 1. 5 times R2 means 5, 0, 0. We get after addition 1, minus 3 and 5. Minus 3, 1. Here 1, 0, 0. Second column is 0, 1, 0. Third column what we want? 0, 0, 1. Here 0 we want. Means R1 changes to R1 changes to, here we want 0. 0 means R1 changes to R1 minus half R3. R1 changes to R1 minus half R3. Half R3. R3 is here 2. 2 upon 2 means 1. Therefore minus minus plus R1. Here we take plus sign. Then here also R1 is R1 will change, means second row, third row, then R1 will change. We write second row, third row into matrix A. Therefore R1 is 1 minus 1, then third row we multiply by half, means 0, 0 and 1. Here after addition these two rows we get 1, 0, 0. Here we get 1, 0, 0. Here also R1 is minus 2, 1, 0. Half into R3, that is 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. There we take positive sign, means 0 plus half. 1 minus 3 by 2. 1 minus 3 by 2. We get 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will be here, and minus 2 plus 5 by 2, that is minus 4 plus 5 by 2, that is 1 by 2, means half. Means first row will be half, then minus half, then half. Here first column is 1, 0, 0, second column 0, 1, 0, third column what we want? 0, 0, 1. Here we want 0, means R2 minus R3 we do. R2 changes to R2 minus R3. Therefore R2 we are going to change, means first row as it is, third row as it is equal to first row half minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, third row 5 minus 3, 1. Then second row, what will be second row? R2 minus R3, R2 minus R3, R2 minus R3, minus 1, R2 minus R3, that is second row. R2 means this one, 0, 1, 2. R3 means 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, that is minus, is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Here also R2 minus R3, R2 is 1, 0, 0, R3 is 5 minus 3, 1, means minus is here, subtraction, minus minus plus, minus sign will be changed, minus 1, here plus 3 and 1 minus 5, that is minus 4, minus 4, 3 and minus 1. Here we want 1, means R3 we are going to change by, we take this property, Ri changes to K into Ri, means R3 changes to half into R3, means 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 upon 2, 0 upon 2, 2 upon 2, means here half minus half, half 4, that is minus 4, 3 minus 1, 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2, and 1 into A. Means this is identity matrix. This is matrix suppose B and into this is matrix A. Means I is equal to B into A. Product of two matrices B and A square matrix order of 3 by 3 order 3 B into A is equal to I means B is equal to A inverse or A is equal to B inverse. Here find the inverse of this matrix A means inverse matrix is the answer is inverse matrix is 1 upon 2 minus half 1 upon 2 minus 4 3 minus 1 third row is minus and plus 1. This is the inverse of the matrix. We got the answer. This question is oftenly asked in CBSE exam for 6 marks. We can solve this example by doing column elementary operations also. But here we have opted rows operations. Thank you.